Next topic is solution of system of linear homogeneous equations. We have given homogeneous linear equations. In this type of system, we can observe that the matrix B is 0. Matrix B is 0. Given system, first of all, we write the system as in matrix form. Given system of equation in matrix form, Ax equal to B. Ax equal to B. In this case, B equal to 0 matrix. B is equal to 0 matrix. In homogeneous system of equation, matrix B is 0. Now, we can solve this system of equation with the help of rank of a matrix, that is by reducing row echelon form. By reducing row echelon form, there are three cases. We discussed all one by one. You can write, find rank of A. Find rank of A. Then three cases arise. If rank of A, case number 1, if rank of A is equal to n, that is number of unknowns. If rank of A equal to n, number of unknowns, in this case, in this homogeneous system of equation, we have two cases arise. Because matrix B is equal to 0, 0 matrix. First case is rank of A equal to n, number of unknowns. In this case, system of equation, there exists, you can say there exists trivial solution. There exists trivial solution, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. First type of question is this. Second type of question is, if rank of A less than n, rank of A less than n, number of unknowns, in this case there exists non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solutions. There exists non-trivial solution, that is infinite solutions. That is infinite solutions. There are two types of questions. Either rank of A equal to n or rank of A is less than n. Only two types of questions. Now taking examples. Example number 1, you can identify which type of question is here. In example number 1, given system of equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0, and third is, equation number third is 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0. Now this system of equation can be written in matrix form, Ax equal to 0. Ax equal to 0 because B matrix is 0. Now matrix A is equal to, या where कर दीजिए डायरेक्ट, where matrix A is first row 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 2 minus 1 2, 1, 3. Now our target is reducing matrix A in the row echelon matrix, because we want to find out rank of matrix. First of all, first non-zero element in first row is 1. With the help of 1, we can become second row element A21 and A31 is 0. With the help of row operation, you can reduce 1 and 2 are into 0. In this type, after reducing this matrix in a row echelon matrix, we have matrix A becomes 1 minus 1 1, 0 1 minus 2 by 3, 0 0 1, 3 by 3 order. Clearly this is row echelon matrix, because 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now you can observe rank of A is equal to 3, because non-zero rows, first is non-zero, second is non-zero, third is also non-zero. Rank is 3. Number of unknowns, matrix X 3, X Y Z. X Y is equal to number of unknowns is equal to n, that is number of unknowns. Now from two type of questions from the chart, we can write here there exists trivial solution. That is first type of example is this, that is we have x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and a z equal to 0 answer. Now we're taking example number 2. Given equations are x plus 2y plus 3z. Yes, equation number 1. 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Equation number 2. 7x plus 13y plus 19z is equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now we can write this system of equation in matrix form. Ax equal to b, Ax equal to 0 because b is 0 matrix here. Homogeneous system of equation. A equal to matrix A 1 2 3. First row is 1 2 3. Second row 2 3 4. And third row 7 13 19. Very good. Very intelligent students. 7 13 19. देखिए in this matrix A, now we can find the rank of A with the help of row echelon form. With the help of, as discussed in previous chapters, rank of matrix, we can write the direct here. Rank of A, matrix A in a row echelon form. Matrix A in a row echelon form. We can write direct because earlier we can discuss 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now we can observe rank of A. Non-zero rows. There are 2 non-zero rows in matrix A. Rank of A is 2, but number of unknown n equal to 3 because x, y, z are unknowns. X, y, z are unknowns, which implies system of equations having non-trivial solution. Non-trivial, that is infinite solution. That is infinite solution, and solution having one arbitrary constants. One arbitrary constant because 3 minus 2 is 1. Let z equal to k. Let z is equal to k. Now we have two equations in matrix A, row echelon form. You can observe here x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. Equation number 4. And minus y minus 2z is equal to 0. Equation number 5. Now from equation number 5, put z equal to k. Z equal to k. Now we can find value of y. We can find value of y. And from equation number 4, put the value of y and z in terms of k. We can find value of x in terms of k. It means we have solutions. Value of x in k, value of y in k, and value of z is also in k. That is infinite solution because k having value infinite.